Hello children. Today we are going to learn about vowel short U. Learn vowel sound in these 3-letter words. Sound out each letter separately and then blend them to read the words. UB family. TUB tub. CUB cub. CUB sub. UG family. MUG mug. RUG rug. BUG bug. UN family. RUN run. CUN sun. BUN bun. UT family. HUT hut. NUT nut. CUT cut. Well done, children. Goodbye.